Hi, I'm Ryan from Ryfab. We're going to give you a demonstration video on how to install the rubber lock and bracket on a 1000 XP box for the spare tire bracket. You can add these on any other box you want if you feel like you'd like to. We'll sell you a kit to do so. First of all, you pressure hold them. That's all there is to that. Just do both sets. I hate that drilling all the way through because I'm hitting that rubber. And take this top bracket, this is a bracket that goes on the lid. I put the rivets in it already. That goes on the inside of this. Rivets from the inside out on the top one. Make sure they're up tight, kind of line that other one up. These are just barely going to go through and the little break-off knob's going to pop out. There it goes. That'll be a You might want to start with the bottom rivet on both of them because it's right on that bend.